Pull it up.
Sometimes life moves by you so fast. Just in case they all collide, I'll be safely on the side. Some speed might lose control. Don't crash. Just in case they all collide, I'll be safely on the side. Yeah. Not everybody have the drive, but no have drive and speeding to the fast lane, but the fast lane low fast, no more, it quite misleading. And I'm on the side just preening it. Whoa, time goes by and we all want fly, but not die for your flight that's leaving. You walk, then you drive, then fly. It's part of the life. Walk and sharpen your sight, fast in your mind. If you drive, move fast every time. Pass and not in a sign. Might be slightly caught in the vibe. I mean, I see karma and a hype. Slow your roll, I know you rode it. Highly likely karma and a hype. Sometimes life moves by you so fast. Just in case they all collide, I'll be safely on the side. Some speed might lose control. Don't crash. Just in case they all collide, I'll be safely on the side. Whoa, I'm right on the side like a side note. Drive slow, drive like every light goes. Take time with your mind though, make your mind race. Try paving your right way on the right road. Safety in the hype, it make you alive though. Truth be told, take RVO to your drive and you're moving home if you're DIE. That's where you're left with, that's where you get if you need high speed. I can get urgency if you're an emergency, that is a green light, see. Risk it all if it urgent. Fight the law if it worth it. But everything have a consequence when them write it off, it not curse it. One. Everybody age up in the fast lane till it don't pass no more. Speeding never last no more. I can tell that everybody age up in the fast lane. Shortcut, no shot no more. People don't even walk no more. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sometimes life moves by you so fast. Just in case they all collide, I'll be safely on the side.